morning, students. Today we shall study classical concept of oxidant. It is also known as oxidizing agent. And oxidant is that substance that gives oxygen. Just see this reaction. C plus O2 give rise to CO2. Here O2 gives oxygen. Two carbon and carbon dioxide is formed. Therefore, oxygen is an oxidant. Here, manganese dioxide MnO2 plus 4 hydrochloric acid give rise to MnCl2, chlorine and water. In this case, MnO2 gives oxygen. Just see, this MnO2 contains oxygen, but this manganese does not contain oxygen. It means oxygen has been given by MnO2 to form this product. Therefore, MnO2 is an oxidant, or oxidant is a substance that removes hydrogen. Here H2S plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O plus 2S. Here what do you see? In this case the hydrogen has been removed by oxygen to form water. Since oxygen has removed hydrogen, therefore oxygen is an oxidant. It is also a substance whose valency decreases. Again consider this reaction, 2H2 and 2 sulfur. I have, just see, this is the valency of oxygen. Here is 0 and then this is -2. So valency has decreased from 0 to -2. I have given some notes here. Please write them up. You will see that these will help you in the later chapter. Thank you for watching.